Physical activity and sport has not been enough of an option for people with disabilities. I don't think that people view it as an option for themselves because of barriers that they've faced, and I think that we need to be able to connect people up with those opportunities, and that means a project like this, which is about personal budgets, health and social care and sport coming together to help people to be more active.
Also, you'll benefit from new ideas about increasing participation, and you'll hear about ways in which we have brokered partnerships and working relationships across health and social care and sport.
One of the big challenges we've got, this is particularly true for disability organisations, is getting this message out to local communities.
For that money to be used in a kind of get active proposition, so going to gyms or just participating in sport in some way or other, using that money to do that. What we want the project to do is to spread that word and look at ways of making that successful, with the ultimate goal of getting more disabled people involved in some form of activity.
If we can get more disabled people involved in sport, physical activity, being active, there's going to be huge benefits from their health and well-being, confidence, things like that. So from that point of view, I do think that what we've undersold really is the benefit of being active against the cost of caring, or for the want of a better word, health and social care services.
The chances of people having dementia or heart conditions later on in life are higher when people aren't physically active, and because disabled people are not given those opportunities and are not shown those opportunities to be physically active at points in their life when they need to be, the probability of having those issues later on in life increases. That's just one example of why it's important for people to be physically active.
I think traditionally personal budgets have been used for just care, and I think now we need to expand that offer and be a bit creative how we spend these personal budgets and really advertise opportunities that are out there for people to access as well.
So an idea about using your personal budget for sport and activity. Personal budgets, it's all about having choice and control over how your support needs are met. So basically, you're the expert on what's going to work best for you and what's going to improve your quality of life. Now, if you choose to say, well, actually doing some physical activity or some sport is going to be what's best for me, then you should be able to do that.
So we need people to follow us at Get Yourself Active. If anyone has any inspiring stories that they want to share using our hashtag #What'sYourPB, the idea behind it is that PB can mean personal best or personal budget, whichever one speaks best to you, as well as professionals in health and social care and sport providers. We want people who are having experiences themselves to get in touch with us and tell us what's happening for them, and we want to get stories so that this strengthens our argument and our message.